Welcome to MathJip. Division of polynomials. Last two videos we are try to solve question 1 A to F. This video we are starting from number G, where we are dividing 12x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. Let's get started. So here first term 12x cube. 12x cube, once we divide by 2x we will get 6x square. So quotient first term is 6x square. 6 times 2 12, x square times x cube. Then 6x square minus 1, once we multiply we will get minus 6x square. Right, now subtract this one minus this one plus, so minus x cube, 12x cube and minus 12x cube out. Here is 4x square and 6x square, 10x square. Second term which we will use minus 3x. Now 10 divide 2 is a 5 and x square divide x is a x. So our second term of quotient is plus 5x. So 10x square and minus 5x. So again here is minus, here is plus. So 10x square minus 10x square out. Here is 2x, and we will use the next term which is minus 1. Now here is minus 2x minus 1, here is 2x minus 1. So naturally we can write in here plus 1. So 2x minus 1, then minus, and here plus, it will become 0. So here is no remainder. Our answer is 6x square plus 5x plus 1. Very simple. So 1G done. This video I am trying to solve 4 math. Question A is, here is 8x cube minus 12x square plus 6x minus 1, we will divide by 2x minus 1. So first 8x cube by 2x we will get 4x square. So 4x square, here is 8x cube, then 4x square minus 1 we multiply, once we multiply we will get minus 4x square. So here is minus, here is plus. So 8x cube minus 8x cube out. So here is minus 8x square. Okay, and here we will use next term 6x minus 8x square divide 2x, we will get minus 4x, right? So here is minus 4x. So here 8x square minus and minus plus 4x times 1 is a 4x. Then here is plus, this one is minus. So minus 8x square plus 8x square out. 6x minus 4x will be 2x, and we will use last term minus 1. So here is plus 1, then we will get 2x minus 1. Here is no remainder. Our answer is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Very simple. Number I, 9x cube plus 27x square minus x minus 3, we will divide by 3x minus 1. So first 9x cube divide 3x. So we will get 3x square. So this is our first term, 3x square. So here 9x cube, 3x square times minus 1 will be minus 3x square. So here is minus, here is plus. So 9x cube and minus 9x cube out. 27x square and then plus 3x square, 30x square. Now we will use next term, which is minus x. So 30 divide 3 is a 10, x square divide x is a x. So here is plus 10x, 30x square minus 10x. Then here is minus, here is plus, right? So 30x square minus 30x square out, minus x plus 10x will be 9x, and here is minus 3. Now 9 divide 3 is a 3, x divide x is a 1, so here plus 3, 9x minus 3, then minus and plus, ultimately here is 0. Our answer is 3x square plus 10x plus 3. Very simple. So number I done. And today's last question, 6x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 2 we will divide by 3x plus 2. Here first term is 6x cube. So 6x cube divide 3x. We will get 2x square. So here is 2x square. 6x cube, 2x square times 2, it will be 4x square. Now we will subtract. So 6x cube minus 6x cube out, 7x square minus 4x square will be 3x square. Now we will use next term, which is minus x. So here is plus x. X times 3x will be 3x square. Then x times 2 will be here plus 2x. Now we will subtract. This one become minus. So 3x square minus 3x square out. Here is minus 3x, and last term will be what? Will be 2. So minus 2. So here we can use minus 1. So minus 1 times 3x will be minus 3x, minus 1 times 2 will be minus 2. So this one is plus, this one is plus. Ultimately our remainder is 0. So our final answer 2x square plus x minus 1. So thank you very much being with me. I am trying to solve this 10 math by 3 part. First part we had completed 1a to c, second part d to f, and final part I am trying to solve g to z. Okay, so no more today. Next video we will start another topics. Till then, keep practice and subscribe my channel Magic. Thank you.